Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Notion app for UPSC preparation. First, set up a dedicated Notion workspace. This central hub will house all your study materials. Create main pages for each UPSC subject, like history, geography, and polity. Within these, establish subpages for specific topics. Leverage Notion's pre-built templates or customize your own for efficient note-taking, daily planning, and progress tracking. This structured approach ensures everything is easily accessible and organized. For effective note-taking, use Notion's versatile blocks. Toggle lists are excellent for active recall, hiding answers until you're ready to review. Callout blocks highlight key facts or definitions. Embed important PDFs, articles, and YouTube videos directly into your pages for quick reference. Create linked databases for current affairs, tagging entries by subject and date. This allows for easy filtering and review, ensuring no crucial information is missed. Notion is a powerful tool for revision. Set up a spaced repetition system using date properties to schedule reviews of important topics. Create digital flashcards with toggle blocks, where the question is visible and the answer is hidden. This active recall method significantly improves memory retention. Build a personalized dashboard to track your daily and weekly study progress, including completed topics and upcoming deadlines. Visualizing your journey keeps you motivated and on track. Take your preparation further with Notion's advanced features. Share specific pages or your entire workspace with study partners for collaborative learning and peer review. Explore integrations with other apps to automate tasks, like syncing your calendar or capturing web clippings. Always remember to back up your Notion workspace regularly. This ensures all your hard work and valuable study data are safe and secure, providing peace of mind throughout your extensive preparation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.